welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I wanted to share what I made on Wacky Wednesday in celebration of Louisa's 11-year anniversary on YouTube. We did some giveaways. If you guys missed it, you can watch the playback, but we had so much fun, and there were 6 prizes to get, and yeah, you had to be present to win, and you had to be present to claim your prize. So here you go. I was working the wheel, so I was just trying to do some easy tags for just a tag flip. So what I did was I used some tags. These are from Michaels when they had those really thick, sturdy chipboard tags. And I guess this was like the Unicorn Mermaid collection. And I just used those and covered it with some of the papers that was like matching with Louisa's digital kit, Feeling Frosty. And this is a Santa baby paper in the background. I used 2 different pieces and covered up the front of the tag. This all the ephemera pieces are from Louisa's digital collection, even the poinsettia, the gingerbread girl, the Christmas tree, all of this. These were all hand drawn by Louisa, and then this is just part of those, I don't know. I think she drew this, I don't know, but it's in her collection. And then I used some tulle that I had in my stash, some pink glitter tulle. So that was the first one. And the next one I made, it's also, let me just glue this down. It's also a Michaels tag. So they're all the same. They're all Michaels tags. And same digital collection, Feeling Frosty. The paper is not paper, it's a glassine bag that is hand dyed by Chiquita, who is Chiquita's Crochet. This is what the glassine looks like. And then if you want to see what I did, this is how I did it. I kind of laid it over the front of the tag and centered it as much as possible. And you just fold down right along. You want to line up the top edge of the bag to the tag. And then fold. You want to fold down the sides, okay, just like that. And then this one I folded to match the bottom edge of the glassine and the tag, so it lines up like that. It's a little crooked, but you want it to go as straight as possible. Okay, line that up, and then you fold this back. Now, I did not attach it to the back of my tag. I did it like this. You fold it, and then fold the ear flaps down, matching the outline of the tag, basically, like that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. On both sides you do the same. And then you just glue all of that down, and it becomes a pocket. So you have the bag part right here, and then the folded end on the bottom of the bag, like that. So you have 2 pockets. So I thought that was cute. And then I just used some dyed tickets from Chiquita again. And then the wreath, all of this is from Louisa's. This little blue paper is from Chiquita. And I thought they went very well together. And these tickets, I just, I outlined everything with the gold marker. Same with this. This is Chiquita's dyed papers. Covered the tag on the front. Added some of that tulle. And then I used the frame and made the snowman pop out a little. And in there is a little sleeping fox and a poinsettia. And I added some of these foam beads to the center of the flower. That's from Dollar Tree. And that's what it looks like. So I hope you all enjoyed this little video. It's very short, but so sweet. We had so much fun on the live today. I will add sentiments to it and try to decorate it a little more. I'll probably add a pocket on the back of the tags just so you could add like a flat piece of embellishments or whatever, anything your heart desires to that. And then I used one of the Dollar Tree ring binder or binder rings. Boy, I cannot speak. And then yeah, I will add more to this as I go, but for now that's what it's gonna look like. I think it's so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. But yeah, thank you all for joining us, and I hope you guys go check out that live video on Louisa's channel, and just wish her congratulations, or you know, just drop her a friendly hi and good well wishes. So anyways, thank you all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.